Hey there, and welcome back to the Traffic Masters Academy. And in this video, throughout this module, we are going to create your very first event response ad. So what is that exactly? Maybe you are an affiliate of a company that hosts local events and you get paid commissions to get people to that event. Or maybe you are hosting your very own webinar and you want to get people to that webinar, meaning attendees. Maybe you are doing something along the lines of an affiliate of another webinar where somebody is holding that webinar, but if you drive traffic to that webinar, you're going to get paid some sort of commissions. Anything that has to do with an event, and you want to announce it on Facebook, yet in a way that's not where you're going out and spamming all your friends and inviting them when they probably have no interest in your event, but actually creating an ad and targeting a specific audience that would be interested in your event. So let's dive into that and let me show you how to create that. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do to create an event is you're going to want to go to your facebook.com/events/upcoming page. And it's going to open up probably a bunch of events that you have been invited to. Maybe in the past you've experienced this, and I see a lot of people complain about this. I'm going to show you a way to create an event to where you're not out there just inviting your entire friends list. A lot of people make the mistake of that, and I don't recommend that you do that because oftentimes some of your friends are already happy in another company that they're in, or they're not even interested in what you have to offer. So we're not going to blast those people. We're actually going to go out and find a targeted audience to promote this event to. So let's just say we have an upcoming event that we want to create ourselves. We want to drive traffic to that affiliate link, that webinar link, or maybe to buy tickets from us for a local event, anything that is an event that you can promote. So come in here and you're going to see a big button right here that says create, and it's going to open up a window here and you're going to name that event. Now, you can change this if for some reason you decide that you don't like the title or the details. You can edit this up, but for the sake of this actual tutorial, we're just going to create something. I'll give you some tips on what to say in the event and then how to edit it. So I'm just going to call this a test event, but let's just say maybe you're a part of MOB and there's one of the Home Business Summit events out there and you have an affiliate link. You can certainly create that event right here. Great example of how to use events. Maybe you have a webinar that you want to get a bunch of people onto. Name that webinar. Maybe you're hosting a webinar, as in my case, maybe I'm doing something on how to build your list using Facebook advertising, or how to generate leads, or how to make more sales in your business via Facebook, and I want to promote a webinar link. Another great example. Maybe you're in the business where you do have local meetings yourself. Maybe you're a network marketer and you want to start getting people to that event. So title that event right here, then give the details. Be a little bit more specific. Where is the event? Maybe describe what the event's about. So I might just say, test event is going to help you, and I might describe, what it's going to do. This event is going to help you generate more leads online using Facebook. If you're struggling to build your business online using Facebook, you want to attend this event. So give as much details as possible about this event. Again, if you're promoting an event for someone else, but you're an affiliate and you can make commissions off of that, then go to their event page and just copy what they have and paste it right here in the details section. Summarize it, basically. You don't have to put the whole thing here. And then where's the event? This is really great because it will pull up a map for you. So maybe it is at a Sheraton hotel in Dallas. So it'll pull up a map for you. So if you have a specific location that Facebook pulls up, definitely put that in here. If for some reason it's online, you can just leave that blank and then post the link in the details section of where someone could access that event as far as clicking on the link. So if it's a GoToWebinar link, put that link in the details section. Then you want to state when it is, all right? So let's just say this event is coming up on Wednesday and it's going to be at 9 p.m. Eastern time or Central time. So this is Central, so let me put 8 p.m. Central. Okay, and then you can add an end time if you want to. So it's going to end that same day at, let's say, 10 o'clock p.m. Okay, and then here's the privacy that you might want to choose. I would go ahead and choose public. This just means anyone on Facebook can see this event. If you only want this to just be an open invite, mean all friends of guests or anyone they invite, guests and friends. This is going to be more for birthday parties and personal private events. But if you're promoting your business, you're going to want to select public. And then here's where most people make their big mistake when they create events. They come in here and they click this invite friends, and they go out and they invite their entire friends list off of their personal page. And this is where you see a lot of people, or maybe you haven't, but I see it a lot happen, where people go in and they complain that, you know, they're being randomly invited to events that they have no use for or have no interest in whatsoever. So don't choose this option here. I'm going to show you a better way. And then you're going to click create the event. And then from there, you have the option to add an event photo. So if you have some sort of photo or logo or something about the event, you would want to click on add the event. And you would want to choose from your own photos. If you've already uploaded the event photo to your personal page, choose from event photos. Maybe you've created an event in the past and you want to use one of those photos. Add a synced photo or upload a photo, okay? So you can certainly do that. And then if you want to edit it for any reason whatsoever, here is the edit option. You would click on that. And again, invite, if there were specific business friends that you actually want to invite to your, let's say, webinar event, you could click choose the friends. Now, I would suggest that you share the event. Go ahead and click share, and you can put that on your own timeline. Or if you have a fan page that you manage, go ahead and put that on your fan page. There's nothing wrong with doing that as a promotion. So these are some free strategies that you can use. But again, for this video, for this module, we're going to show you how to create an ad. But just go through here, see if there's anything that you would want to, edit, and you certainly can do that. Now, the next thing that you want to do is over here on the right, it's going to say promote the event. So we're going to click on that option there, and it's going to take us over to our ad manager. And here's the event responses. So it is already pulling up the event that I just created. So you can't create this ad without creating the event first. So make sure you do that. And then in this section here, you certainly can upload some different images. It says right here, add up to 6 images. You can upload new images, use images from your library, or search for free professional images from Shutterstock. You know in the past videos how to do this. You know how to find images. You know how to browse your library on your hard drive. You know how to, this is images you've already uploaded to Facebook. You can use past images. So in the past, these are all the images that I have actually uploaded. So here's a picture of us and where we won our Mercedes. And you can come in here and upload some from your library if you want, or you can upload brand new images, okay? Now, here is how you want to promote your event. What is the headline? Again, be very specific about this. You know, welcome to the business event, okay? Or you are invited. Just imagine, you know, what this would look like if somebody saw this as an ad, okay? You are invited. There you go. Here's a nice little headline. Then you can give a description here. You have about 90 characters. So I would definitely say visit here to discover, or visit here, let's see, give a description about the webinar. So Wednesday, 9 p.m. Eastern. Join us as we, show you how to build your business. I'll do biz online using Facebook. Click here. Well, click here doesn't fit. But if you have room, you could definitely go ahead and put something where it says click here. So this is how the ad is going to look on the right-hand side of Facebook. That's where this ad is going to show up. So get creative, and it's very important that you really get creative in your headline. Capture someone's attention. A lot of people are getting immune to the ads over here on the right-hand side of Facebook, and that's where this ad is going to show up. So grab someone's attention. Again, this is a perfect opportunity for you to get creative with your headlines. So women entrepreneurs You are invited, and then I might go ahead and just add some sort of description here to what my event is about, okay? And how can I get creative with this? Well, I can come down here, and all of you know how to do this targeting because I've shown you this in the past. We've got the countries that you're going to target, the age range, but since I'm getting creative with my ad here, I'm going to only target women in this ad because who am I speaking to? I'm speaking to women entrepreneurs. It's the same thing. If you're speaking to men, you can, select just to target men. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to come in here and you want to pick an interest. Now, again, what does your event actually, is your event about? Who would be the right audience? My suggestion to you here is to actually browse through some of these behaviors and speak to your audience. So that may mean that you need to create more than one type of ad. So if this is an event that men and women can come to, I'm going to create this ad because I'm talking to women entrepreneurs and I'm only targeting women. Now, I could come up here and target just men in my headline or in my description, and then I would need to create another ad and target just men. This is you building your audience. Who do we want to show this ad to? So right now, we're showing this to women entrepreneurs, so that makes sense. For me not to pick men here or all, we need to target women because I'm getting creative in my ad copy. And then come through here and we can certainly look through categories and just take a look, not categories, behaviors. And we can come down here and maybe we want to find people who like to travel or residential profiles. Again, I might come out there and just start targeting people that are home buyers. So think about your target audience here and speak to them in these event ads, and that'll really get your more traffic to your events that way if you're talking to your audience. And it's the same thing here. It's just creating your audience. We've done this over and over in all the past videos, so I'm not going to go through that again. The main purpose of this video was for me to show you how to create an event the right way, then how to create an ad around it, which is what it looks like here, and then work with your copy here, and then come and create your audience here and who you're going to target. And then once you do that, you want to come down here and you want to go ahead and again set your daily budget, name the ad set, decide do you want to pay per day or do you want to do a lifetime budget. Same thing here, optimize for event responses. Yes, you have the option to optimize for clicks. Yes, you have the option to optimize for impressions. I don't recommend it. I've done a lot of testing. Use Facebook's algorithm and optimize for event responses. And then all you have to do is place the order and you have created your very first promotion that's going to go out there and target people that are going to be interested in your event. So it makes sense. If you're promoting an event that's based around learning something and helping people improve their affiliate marketing skills, you need to target affiliate marketers. If you're hosting a health and wellness type event, you need to go out there and target people who would be interested in living a healthier life. If you're out there promoting a travel event, you need to come in here and target the people who would be interested in travel. If you're targeting a home-based business event, same thing, target the people who would be interested in a home-based business. And one more thing, notice how in this ad Bill's head is cut off. What we need to do is come over here where it says reposition the image and just slide this box up. Now his head is not cut off and now the image looks right in that ad. And that's it. Place the order and you have just created your very first event response ad. Hope you enjoyed this and see you in the next training video. Bye-bye.